Let's solve exercise 1.2, question 2 and 3 of chapter real numbers for class 10 in the most easiest way possible. So friends, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get easy maths tutorial and for more such interesting fast calculation tips and tricks. So let's start with exercise 1.2, question 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. This we have already learned. The first question is 26 and 91. First we have to find the LCM and HCF of 26 and 91. So starting with 26 we do prime factorization. We know 26 is divisible by 2. 26 by 2 we know it's 13. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13. Next we have 91. So 91 is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. It's not divisible by 3. Why? Because 9 plus 1 is 10. So it's not divisible by 3. It's not divisible by 5, you know. And next we go for 7. You know the table of 7 up to 70. But 91 is greater than 70. So what you have to do is 91 minus 70. You get 21. Now 21 is divisible by 7, you know. So 91 is divisible by 7. Now you got the answer as well. 7 into 10 is 70. So we have 10. 21 by 7 is 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So easily you can check whether it is divisible by 7 and how much time it is. So we have 91 is equal to 7 into 13. Now going for HCF. HCF you know it's a smaller number, so we have to take the common factor only. Here the common factor is 13 and we should take only the smallest power. Here in both the cases the power is the same, that is 1. So we have HCF is equal to 13. Next going for LCM. LCM is a larger number, so you know you should take all the prime factors. Here the prime factors are 2, 13 and 7. And we should take the greatest power of each factor. Here all the power is 1. So we have 2 into 7 into 13, that is 14 into 13. How to multiply numbers close to 10 easily, I will put the link in the description box below. So if you are interested you can just check it. So we have 14 into 13 is equal to 182. Easily you could get it. Now we have to prove that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So we have LCM into HCF is equal to 182 into 30. How to calculate it easily? I multiply 182 into 10. So I have 1820. Now I have to multiply 182 into 3 only. So 182 into 3 I get it as 546. Now just add the numbers. We have 2366. So we have LCM into HCF is equal to 2366. Now we have to multiply 26 into 91. How to multiply any two-digit numbers easily? I will put the link in the description box below. If you are interested, you could check it. So we have 26 into 91 also is equal to 2366. So we have LCM into HCF is equal to 26 into 91. Now the next question is 5, 10 and 92. So we have to find the factors of 5, 10 and 92 first. Easiest method is that you omit the 0 at the end. Now we have only 51. Now find the factors of 51. We have 3 into 17 is 51. Now we got the factors. We have factor of 51 as 3 into 17 and factor of the 0, that means 10, is 2 into 5. Now write it in ascending order. We have 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now we could check the normal method. So 510 by 2 is 255. You know it's not divisible by 2, so go for 3. So 2 plus 5 plus 5 is 12, so it's divisible by 3. So 255 by 3 gives 85. Now 85 is not divisible by 3 because 8 plus 5 is 13. Now go for 5. So 85 by 5 is 17. So we have 510 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now go for 92. We know 92 by 2 is 46. 46 by 2 is 23. 23 is a prime number, so we stop here. We have 92 is equal to 2 square into 23. Now when we look, we have the common factor here as 2. We have 2 raised to 1 in 510 and 2 square in 92. So we take the smallest power for HCF. So HCF is equal to 2 raised to 1 or 2. So let's find the LCM. We have the factors as 2, 3, 5, 17 and 23. And the greatest power of 2 is 2 square here. So we have LCM is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 70 into 23. Now how to calculate it fast? We know 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 is 510. So replace it by 510. So we have 2 extra here because we took 2 square. So take the 2 out. We have 2 into 510 into 23. Now 23 into 2 is 46. So we have 46 into 510. Now multiply 46 into 51. How to calculate it first, I'll put the link in the description box below. Just refer it. We get 2346. Now add the 0 at the end. We have 23460. Now multiply LCM with HCF. We have 23460 into 2. Now multiplying by 2 you get as 46920. Now multiply 510 into 92. You will get the same answer. You can multiply 51 into 92 with the trick given in the description box below. So we have LCM into HCF is equal to 510 into 92. So let's move to the next question. 336 and 54. 336 by 2 is 168. 168 by 2 is 84. 84 by 2 is 42. 42 by 2 is 21. Now you know 21 is 3 into 7. So we have 336 is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. Now go for 54. 54 by 2 is 27. 27 by 3 you know is 9. Now 3 into 3 is 9. So we have 54 is equal to 2 into 3 cube. We have 2 and 3 as the common factor here. The smallest power of 2 is 2 raised to 1 here and 3 is 3 raised to 1 here. So we have HCF is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Now for LCM, we have the factors as 2, 3 and 7. Taking the greatest power, we have LCM is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 into 7. You have 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7 as 336 into 3 square. So 336 into 9. How to calculate it first? We multiply with 10 and minus 336 here. So 3360 minus 336, we get 3024. Isn't that easy? Now multiply LCM with HCF. We have 3024 into 6, that is equal to 18144. Now multiply 336 into 54. You will get the same answer because we know 336 into 9 is 3024. 3024 into 6 is 18144. So we have LCM into HCF is equal to 336 into 54. Now let's move to question 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. We have 1, 12, 15 and 21. Find the factors first. Factors of 12, you know, 12 by 2 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. So we have 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Now factorize 15, we know 15 by 3 is 5. So we have 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and you know 21 is 3 into 7. So when we look at the three numbers here, we have the common factor as 3 and the smallest power of 3 here is 1. So we have HCF is equal to 3. Now go for LCM. 2, 3, 5 and 7. And the greatest power of 2 here is 2 square. So we have LCM is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. We have 2 square into 5, that is 4 into 5 is 20, 7 into 3 is 21. So 20 into 21 we have 420. LCM is equal to 420. Next question is 17, 23 and 29. You know 17, 23 and 29 are prime factors. You already studied that for prime factors the only factors you have is 1 and the number itself. For 17 you have 17 is equal to 1 into 17, 23 is equal to 1 into 23 and 29 is equal to 1 into 29. So we have HCF of 17, 23 and 29 as 1 and LCM is equal to 17 into 23 into 29. Multiply 23 into 29, you get as 667. Now multiply 17 into 667. How to multiply is that multiply by 10, we have 6670. And now multiply 667 with 7, you get as 4669. Now adding both, you have the answer as 11339. So we have LCM is equal to 11339. So let's move on to the next question. We have 8, 9 and 25. You know 8 is 2 raised to 3. So 8 by 2 is 4 and 4 by 2 is 2. So we have 8 is equal to 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube. 9 you know it's 3 square and 25 is 5 square. So we have the factors here. So let's find the HCF. You know there is no other factors except 1 common for all the three numbers. So your HCF is 1. Now LCM is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3 square into 5 square. How to calculate it easily, let me tell you. We take the 2 and 5 together because 2 into 5 is 10. Now 2 square into 5 square is 100. Like that, you get multiples of 10 easily. So we have 5 square here, so you take 2 square out. 2 square into 5 square is 100, we keep it aside. Rest we have 2. We already had 2 raised to 3, we took 2 square out, so we have remaining 2 into 3 square. 2 into 3 square is 2 into 9, that is 18. So 18 into 100 is 1800, 1800. Isn't the calculation easy now? Now to get these type of easy tips to solve your problems, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.